Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that flow session as much as I enjoyed creating it. I love rocking out to Charli XCX. And if you like rocking out to sets of LED Poi like these Orb Poi Pros that I was using in the video, you can get a discount on a set of these when you use the promo code DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O over at ultrapoi.com. Once again, that is DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O. That will get you 10% off your purchase. So go pick up a set of these, and also helps out the channel, so everybody wins. Thanks so much to UltraPoi for sponsoring this video and giving me a reason to go out and flow every month. Speaking of thank yous are also owed to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Flowfests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, and UltraPoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these awesome companies and the work that they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links that I've got down in the description of this video. Finally, this video and all the videos on this channel would not be possible were it not for my amazing supporters on Patreon. In particular, I'd love to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you all so much for supporting my channel and my work. And if you out there watching are not currently a supporter but you'd like to become one, you can do that by heading on over to my Patreon at patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and signing up. There you can get access to a whole host of awesome rewards, but better than that, you'll be helping me out in my mission to bring poi spinning and flow arts to the whole wide world. So go check that out, please, and thank you. If you're hungry for more flow sessions like the one you just watched, I will go ahead and include a link to a playlist of those videos down in the description as well as up on screen. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to get out and flow yourselves today, and I'll see you with a new video real soon. Peace.